teddy bear, no bear hugs. No hugs. I'm a fierce mama, I protect my cubs. Ain't no teddy bear, no bear hugs. But yo, I do it all for love.
Eurasian brown bears are crepuscular.
It's morning and dusk that we prefer. Rub my back on a tree, ooh, it feels good. 'Cause the other bears, I'm in the neighborhood. I like my honey, yeah, that's true. But I really love blueberries too. I can eat whole mountains bare. It's like there ain't enough berries to fill this bear. Newsflash, here's the scoop. Those berry seeds end up in my poop. I do my business wherever I go, and from those seeds, new bushes grow.
Come a grasshopper, I'm the hip hopper, I'm the showstopper, the garden bee dropper. Come a grasshopper, I'm the hip hopper, I'm the showstopper, the garden bee dropper.
The common green grasshopper stridulates.
Yeah, that's the type of sound we make. These pegs on my legs rub off my wings. As noisy insects go, yeah, I'm the king. I sound like a sprinkler on a lawn. It's the grasshopper song. Nymphs hatch from eggs in the spring, fully formed, but they don't have wings. Each time they grow, they shed their skin. That's called an exoskeleton. Till one day they're a nymph no more. They're the hip-hop and grasshopper you adore.
Who's the bird they call sea clown?
The puffins, and we're back in town.
Who's the bird that's the cutest around?
The puffins, and we're back in town.
Atlantic puffins have spiny palates.
Let us tell y'all about our fishing habits.
By design, this beak of mine allows me to carry lots of fish at one time, like hake, herring, and sand eels. Ooh, they're such tasty meals.
A puffin burrows 3 meters wide with one little puffling egg inside. This picturesque spot that we got out is like an underground apartment block.
We chat with our neighbors through the wall
with a loud, rumbling, growling call. Buzz, buzz, I'm Queen Bee, creator and leader of my colony. Buzz, buzz, come fly with me. I'll tell you about my life from A to B.
The bumblebee is from the genus Bombus.
There's lots of different species of us, over 250. Yeah, that's a lot of cool bumblebees. You know, bumblebees never swarm. It's just not done, it's not the norm. Here's a cool fact, it's the truth. This bee's buzz shakes pollen loose. I carry that pollen from flower to flower to fertilize the foods that you devour, like tomatoes, potatoes, and blueberries. They all thrive because of bees.
Hey, the furry little mammal who lives in a hole. My home is underground, I'm the moly mole. The European mole can breathe underground. I got a special skill, it's the coolest around. Unlike you, I don't need fresh air, so I can spend lots of time down there. I can hardly see, I'm almost blind. I got tiny little eyes, but I don't mind. Little hairs on my snout, feet and tail help me find my way around without fail. My claws are the best spades you've ever seen. Can't nobody stop this digging machine. You'll know if I'm around, I'll leave a telltale sign. All these molehills, yeah, they're mine.
Prowling, we traveled in a pack, scowling, growling, we got each other's back.
Eurasian wolves live in packs.
We're a tight-knit family, that's a fact. Feed with the pack, sleep with the pack, move with the pack. It's all about the pack. When our pups are born, they can't hear or see. They got dark fur, they ain't gray like me. We make lots of sounds, snarls, barks, and growls. But we're most famous for our long wolf howl. Our howls are heard 10 miles away. They warn of danger or just say hey. And guess what? They ain't just any old howl. Each pack has their very own special howl. Ooh. Prowling, we traveled in a pack, scowling, growling, we got each other's back. Ooh.
Check me out, I'm the white-tailed eagle. I look so good, it should be illegal. White-tailed eagle, eagle man.
The white-tailed eagles are the Raptor.
Listen carefully to this next chapter. See, I hunt for food during the day. fish, you guessed it, my favorite prey. With raptor beak, raptor claws, and raptor eyesight, I pluck a meal from the water. In flight, but I eat plenty more as a carnivore, like hares, goose, and small birds galore. Spot me anywhere from Japan to Greenland, close to water, in mainly lowlands. Maybe perched on a branch, on a crag or a cliff, with my brown-gray feathers and my white tail tips. What?
Wherever I go, or how far I roam, this lucky mouse always finds her way home.
The wood mouse is a nifty navigator.
I'll explain it now, no need to wait till later. When I look for food, I leave myself a trail, like dropping breadcrumbs in a fairy tale. Twigs, leaves, whatever's around, laid to point the way on the ground. See, I won't get lost, I've created a path. These way markers mean I find my way back. Only humans and us do this when we roam. That's how I know I always find my way home. Check it, now you know my technique. Take a closer look next time I squeak. Wherever